Hi guys, I'm Roshan Nandurkar and you're watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. If you not subscribe my YouTube channel, so I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification guys. So the next question in interview, it may ask you, can we write try and catch inside try and catch block? So the answer will be yes guys. Answer will be yes. Yes, definitely we can write okay try and catch block inside try or in catch block also guys. So now okay we can check this. Okay, we said try and catch. Now we can say number of format exception at here. Now you can see guys, okay, this will be the try block and this will be the catch block. Inside this a try block, okay, again we can write try, okay, and then we can say catch, and we can say input mismatch exception at here, input mismatch exception and ex, okay, or any exception at here, not compulsory to write input mismatch exception. You can see guys, okay, so we can write try and catch block inside this a try block guys, okay, and again we can write again try and catch block, okay, again we can write try and catch block, okay, inside catch block guys, okay. So now here we can write like array index out of bounds exception, okay. So now you can see guys, so inside a catch block, inside a catch block, okay, again we can write try and catch block guys, getting guys, or even again this try and catch block, okay, again we can write inner try and catch block guys, okay, try, and then we can say catch, okay, we can say arithmetic exception and ex guys, okay. So again we can write okay try and catch, okay, inside again this is a try and catch, okay. So we can write okay n number of inner try and catch block inside try or inside catch block guys, or even we can write finally block guys. Got it guys, okay. So thanks for watching guys, okay. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to click on like and share to your friends guys, and keep learning, keep coding, and I will see you in the next one guys. Till then, happy coding guys. Thank you.